This is a final video to fix the screen flickering sensor dots issue on Pixel 10 Pro. And if you've been seeing tiny blinking dots on your screen, you're not alone. Many Pixel 10 Pro users face this problem because of a software glitch that mismanages a display's sensor, causing those annoying flickers. You might have tried other tutorials on YouTube or social media, but they are long, confusing, and often don't work. On Rexish, we have a secret easy trick that solves this in seconds without any complicated steps. All you need to do is adjust a hidden display setting and restart your phone, and the flickering disappears completely. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment below, and we'll show you exactly how to fix it effortlessly.